Okay, here is this another Lego puzzle box tut or mech video. Yeah, so yeah, if I the base looks just like this, pretty simple. And for my mech I need this kind of DVD thingy and this kind of, so we can slide like that. So yeah, and another there, and you kind of just build some wall up to one brick and two flat pieces, and here you put 3 by 2 on a piece like this, and so that is that you slide up and down. Here then you build a piece pretty much the same. Here's a full brick, but you push it here, and here's your key. Whoa. Like that, and then you build kind of original kind of wall or something. Then you wanna build like this, a piece like that with flat 1 by 1, and here you wanna put build one brick and 2 flat pieces, and here it's gonna be a little hole here for the keyhole, and this is here. Now this, what you wanna build under here is like this, and you put it on something. 1 brick and 2 flat pieces is this. So how does it work? Pretty easy. When it's like that, you can't pull it out, like lifting this back piece out. So you can't, and when you slide that, you can. Yeah. Sorry, I'm kind of, I don't know. Yeah, but then you put everything together, and yeah, we got it.